The pharmaceuticals industry has been on a growth trajectory, with new markets emerging across the continent. One of the leading pharmaceutical companies in Kenya is Beta Healthcare. The company is a prominent player in over-the-counter and script market in sub-Saharan African region, with key brands that have been a part of past generations and generations to come. Brands such as Maramoja, Action, Salimia and Betasil are household names in the region, which the company has been focusing to grow their volumes.
Beta Healthcare has got a long history. It started in 1942 as a gentleman called Mr. Patel. He started this company which was importing drugs from all over and selling it in the country. Later on, they put up a small factory wherein we started in a very small way. That happened in 1942. Thereafter, in 1970, this company was bought over by Boots from UK, and of course, it brought in a lot of multinational values and things like that. And the name of the company became Boots. That's how we started. Then the company went through a lot of changes. It went from one hand to another. The real changes happened in 2008 when the Aspen Group bought over 60% of the shareholding of Beta Healthcare. And in 2012, they took over the 100% equity of Beta Healthcare. And well, since 2008 and where we are sitting today, and I'm quite sure about the future, things started moving in a better way, and there have been a lot of changes in the company, positive changes. With Aspen taking over the shareholding, 100% shareholding of Beta Healthcare, we have a lot to benefit, and we have benefited a lot because they have a very strong pipeline of products. They have fantastic factories all over the world, which we replicated even in Kenya. Today you see our Kenyan factory. I think in sub-Saharan Africa, it is one of the best pharmaceutical factories that one can come across. So we had a pipeline of products. We had a lot of regulatory help from our head office in South Africa, that's Aspen Group, and a lot of changes in terms of advisory messages coming in from them, and a lot of changes have taken place. But the most important thing is we have been able to offer with Aspen Group many products for the Kenyan and East and Central African markets.
Beta Healthcare has been looking to grow its dominance in the pharmaceutical sector, with innovations in technology being a central theme for the firm. The company has invested in a comprehensive supply chain model that spans through not only Kenya but other regional countries as well. Through its widespread network, Beta Healthcare has ensured its reach is felt in the sub-Saharan market, even as the battle for market control surges on.
If I start off with Kenya, we have very huge plans to improve our distribution. We've invested a lot in salespeople. We make sure that we have salespeople in every region to ensure that we are actually at every touch point. And every new single day, we're actually looking for new markets to sell our products. So in as much as we are in sub-Saharan Africa, we're also looking at the French West Africa as a potential market for us. So new products into new markets is actually the strategy for us.
Quality is a very important factor, and we do not believe in quality in testing at the end product only. Our quality is inherent, it's inbuilt. So we test our products right from receipt of the material, the way we receive it, right through the process till the final packaged product reaches the customer. So quality is a very important parameter that we build on, and it is based on this that Beta Healthcare International is one of its kind, with very stringent good manufacturing practices, with very stringent quality control and quality management systems within its systems and procedures, with well-trained and skilled staff.
Beta Healthcare has a very rich and strong distribution channel in Kenya. We actually have products that you could find to the end of any village in this country. You'll find us from Garissa, you'll find us at Lamu, you'll find us everywhere. We've invested a lot in terms of people who manage our distribution channel. So you'll find we have a team that handles the pharmacy channels. You'll have a team that handles the big supermarkets, the Nakumatt Uchumis. you'll find a van team that goes around the country for a 45-day cycle and ensures that our products are actually in every little kiosk out there in the market.
Beta Healthcare recently moved to a state-of-the-art CGMP compliant factory in the heart of industrial area, providing crucial employment to a large segment of the populace.
And is basically committed to the excellence in manufacturing and distribution of the highest quality, safe, efficacious and cost-effective pharmaceutical products, and indeed other products as well, in order to meet and exceed the demands of our customers and indeed our patients as well. Beta Healthcare International has recently launched a research and development center which is basically aimed at increasing its product portfolio by coming up with new products in various segments such as cardiovascular agents, anti-diabetics, anti-infectives as well, among other products. So basically the Research and Development Center has given a boost to the company to be on the forefront of pharmaceutical development by designing quality products and their corresponding manufacturing processes which are well validated and qualified.
The company has embodied the spirit of giving hope and building a future. It is built on the pillars of integrity, trust, excellence and passion.
Well, we are concentrating more on your new products. We have recently tied up with, since the last 2 years, we have a little bit diversified in terms of bringing in newer molecules wherein we are incapable to manufacture it in our factory. So we have tied up with many companies like Anglo-French, Pletico, Themis and many other companies wherein we are getting these products manufactured in these locations and then bringing it here. Subsequently, our plan is once the market starts accepting those products, we may also ensure that our factory is equipped to manufacture those products. So there are a lot of interesting things happening at Beta.
The company has a large workforce behind its brands. Creating a conducive working environment has been one of the hallmarks of the company, which prides itself for having one of the best work environments in Africa. Training and research remain key pillars of Beta Healthcare, where employees are able to develop their careers and deliver best work practices.
I'm the longest serving employee at Beta Healthcare. I've worked for Beta Healthcare for the last 16 years. We have a very caring CEO and a very supportive staff system. And Beta Healthcare is like a family to me.